Haglund's Deformity. Introduction. Bursa cushion the bones, tendons, and muscles around the joints. Select true or false. Correct. Haglund's deformity is usually the result of bursitis.
Select true or false.
Correct. Bursitis happens when bursa in the heel become irritated by pressure. Eve wears high-heeled shoes every day to work. She has heel pain that makes walking difficult and painful. She also has noticed a bump on the back of her heel. Should Eve contact her healthcare provider?
Select yes or no.
Correct. Eve should contact her healthcare provider. Only her healthcare provider can tell what is causing her symptoms. Does treatment for Haglund's deformity always require surgery?
Select yes or no.
Correct. Non-surgical treatments are available to treat Haglund's deformity. Patients who do not improve with these treatments may need surgery.
Thank you for using Explain.